Let's go, Lightning. Let's go, boys. Yo, peek it through. Kick it, Brandon. Kick it. Kick it. Move it. Move it. Get on that, Brandon. Ooh. There you go, Brandon. Good job, Brandon. Come on, Lightning. Move the ball. Let's go, Brandon. D up. Get around it. There you go. Look, see, Ethan. Go, Brandon. Go, Brandon. Get out there, Eli. Get out there. There you go. There you go. Relax.
Get in there.
There you go. Good board, Ethan. Get out of the corner, Brandon. There you go. Good find. Come on, Peter. Good try, Pete. Good take, Peter. Let's go, Lightning! Get up, Eli. Get up, Eli. There you go. There you go. Good hand. Take it. Take it. Good move. Good move, Eli. Good board. Let's go. There you go. Work it, Caleb, work it. Get up there. Good pass. You're all right, Peter, you're all right. Stay in it. Hey, play up, 10 seconds, play up. He must turn around a lot. He must turn a lot on his batters. That's him just. It's a frizz ball in the middle. Shoot it.
Guys, let's see some cut!
Look for it, Brandon. Look for it. Take that. There you go. Good move. There you go, Brandon. How's your ankle feel? You know that was like a very Whoa. Hands up, hands up.
Why didn't Ethan get to do a free throw?
Go Lightning. Go boys. Get out there like a nerd.
What are you doing? Well, if he, yeah.
Do it, Brandon. Get up there. There you go. Get a hand, Ethan.
His leg's been hurt, man. Somebody ran into it yesterday. He got the foul? Why is that?
The second time they called him for the same thing.
But was that fair? I don't think that's right.
Go, boys. Move it, move it. Keep going, keep going. Move here. Hey, go. Get it, Eli, get it. Get on it, get on it. Get up, Pete, get up, Pete, get up. Right. You ain't going nowhere, you're right, you're right. Step up, Pete, there you go. Get it like a bird. There you go, there you go, hands up. There you go. Get on it. Good D, good D. There you go. Let's keep going. Good right there.
Why did he? Ethan Dancer was sort of open, more open.
Go get it, Eli. Go get it, Caleb. Let's go. Hey, crash the board. Go, go, go. Work it, work it. Like the merge, no one's over there. Okay. Ooh. Get up, Eli. Get up, Eli. Go get it. Help that.
Right.
Go, push, push.
Yeah. We'll take it.
Come on, boys. Be up, Eli. Get it. Go get it.
Oh.
Go, Peter, go! Go, Caleb! Get it out, Eli. Keep going, Eli. Let's go. Go get it. Get on there, Peter. Get on there. Keep going. Who's up?
There we go.
Help, get up, Eli, get up, Eli. Good, fine. Diab, let's go, Lightning. Keep going, let's go, Eli, come on. Get up, Greg, get up, Greg.
Get in there. All right.
Get on it, Eli. What was quarter was it? Go get it, Eli. Keep going. Fight it out, boys. Fight it out. There, get a hand. Get it. Shoot up. Shoot it. Put up, Greg. Hey, good shot, Greg. Good shot. Good look, Greg. Go Lightning. Find him, Brent. Find Brandon. Shoot that. Brandon, you have so much art, I guarantee you're good for it. Good hustle, Brandon. Hey, let it go, Eli. Let it go.
There we go.
Let it go. Let it go, Brandon. Let it go. Good effort, Lightning. Good effort.